Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these are the Welch Allyn Disposable Ear Specula for an Welch Allyn otoscope. So if you work in a medical industry and these are the types of otoscopes that you use, then these are going to be really handy for you in order to look into people's ears and diagnose what's going on. My husband works as a hearing instrument specialist, and so he uses these all the time and really likes them. So the nice thing is they are super easy to pop on and off of your otoscope, and they stay put really nicely. You're able to get good visualization into the ear canal, into the eardrum, and then they are disposable, which is great because this is a single-use medical product, so you can pop them off of the otoscope really quickly and right into the garbage. And you can just throw it away, which is perfect for a medical setting. So we have been really happy with these and would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.